A SIM card, or subscriber identity module, is a small chip that you insert into your mobile device. It stores information that uniquely identifies your phone on a cellular network, such as your phone number, network authentication details, and contacts. When you make a call, send a text, or use mobile data, the SIM card communicates with the network to authenticate your device and connect you to the service. It's like your phone's passport to the cellular world. SIM cards come in different sizes, but they all serve the same purpose. They allow you to switch devices by simply transferring the SIM card, making it easy to keep your phone number and service when upgrading or changing phones. In summary, a SIM card is a crucial component that enables your phone to connect to a cellular network, authenticate your identity, and access services like calls, texts, and data.